Why do 75% of students feel disengaged in traditional classrooms? Because they need more hands-on learning experiences. Traditional classrooms can feel dull and irrelevant to many students. But when kids get to learn by doing, they light up with curiosity and excitement. Research shows that using our bodies in learning helps us understand better. So let's rethink how we teach. Try setting up science experiments or art projects. These activities let students be creative and engaged. Or how about games and role-playing? These can make complex concepts easier to grasp. Field trips are another great way to bring learning to life. Visiting museums or parks makes education real and fun. And don't forget to plan. A planning sheet can help structure these activities. Give students specific roles during activities. This makes them feel responsible and connected. And hey, don't be afraid to ask AI for help. It can generate amazing ideas tailored to your needs. Transform your classroom and watch your students thrive with hands-on learning.